the curtains. Doesn't matter. Is there almond milk left? Or is that regular milk left? Major, get you an allergy pill. Okay, I'm cooking. Because I have to cook it. Well, that's why I'm trying to cook, because you want to eat. Actually, get whatever clothes are yours out the suitcase and put them up. Get your clothes out the suitcase. Mission of getting them out. She said give it to her with. Where's Journey's bowl? Does anybody know where Journey's bowl is? Sure he's not on the toilet? In the sitting room bathroom. Trice! On that shelf in her room. $20,000. Come eat. Can I look at it? I know. Let me see it. Don't touch it. Let me see it. lemons or any strawberries. It's just plain water. We'll go to the grocery store for me. I can send you the list.
Oh, I really could.
What? You don't even know how much stuff it is.
What did you say?
You don't even know how much stuff it is.
If it's a list, then that's already too much.
A list could consist of 3 things.
Yeah, that's too much.
Water just tastes better out of this glass. It just tastes better. Tastes like expensive water. Whatever that tastes like. Put my hair in these little buns because honestly, I know y'all tired of seeing me touch my hair and playing my hair in my videos because I'm tired of seeing it. So I was like, maybe if I pin it up, I won't be bothered by it. So that's what I did. So far it's working. It's like biting your fingernails. It's just a habit. And I need to break it, that's all.
Okay, if one person asked me if I could go to the store, I'm going to speak to the conference so I can get my license. Why do you daddy keep asking?
Daddy asked you?
Yes.
So see? Then that means you need to go. Sydney, I don't know what he needs, but what I need benefits you because you would like to eat dinner.
I can find something in the pantry. So
Okay, well then, great. Something for everybody? Because if you can make something work.
You just said it benefits me. Daddy's trying to get me to get lunch, but why can't it just be something here?
Oh, I already got stuff for lunch. We just need dinner.
So I don't have to go right now.
I mean, it's 2 o'clock. What time you going?
3.
That's fine. If you go at 3, that'll be fine.
Daddy's just trying to get me to do something. But do you have the list of stuff you need?
See, it's because he's asking to eat. You ready to eat now?
Yes.
Me another bar stool, y'all. By the way, I moved the computer. That's what I'm saying, y'all. I moved it. First of all, that's where my Christmas tree is gonna go. My mother-in-law handed down their heirloom Christmas tree to me. That is his ball. He's had that ball for 2 days. A 50-cent ball, y'all. By the way, hi. Hello. Good afternoon, family. Welcome back to the end of Vlogtober. Y'all. For those of you who have been here the whole month, y'all are the MVPs because you have stayed through the madness, the ranting, the venting, the repeating of myself, the inconsistencies. Y'all are the real MVPs, the real MVPs. So thank you, thank you. Anyway, I don't even know what I was talking about. Oh, the computer. My Christmas tree. My mother-in-law gave us their family heirloom Christmas tree. And y'all, I love that Christmas tree. It is massive. And when I say massive, it's massive. And like our old house, I don't think we had any house with that tree. Well, yeah, our house previously, it would have fit in. But it is so tall. This is the only place in the house that I'm going to be able to put that Christmas tree. Like when we moved in, I was thinking about where am I going to put that tree because I'm so excited about putting it up. So I was like, well, if I put the tree there, then I don't want to have my computer desk there because that would require me to have to walk around the Christmas tree every time, and that just makes it a hazard. I could see the kids being like, oh, I was trying to get on the computer and like knocking the tree over. So yeah, I was like, no, I'm not doing that. Charlie, can you like kid out? So that is why I moved it. So I put it back in my office. And I was like, okay, I might sit up here. Like the other day I sat up there. I've been trying to sit in there more to really see if I don't like sitting in there. So I sat in there the other day and it wasn't bad. But I feel like I need to know what's going on. And sometimes I feel like I don't need to know what's going on. It's a catch-22. Anyway. I am sitting here editing because I'm so far behind, and you know, I refuse to just be like, forget it. I'm going to get all these videos up. Even if I go into November, I'm going to do it. So that is what I'm currently doing. No, it's going to be where the dressings are. The salad dressings.
Is it in the same pack as the taco seasoning though?
Yes.
There you go, Charlie! Let's go! Let's try 11 minutes of dry sleep.
I'm walking out this room like somebody's been locked up. Ooh, it is past 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock maybe. I've been editing all this time. I started at like 2:30, y'all. This is what I'm saying, but I got 2 videos done. So yay for that. Ooh, it smells so good. It smells so good. He's cooking dinner. And a stack of crackers.
What's wrong, Phoenix?
I just already took this one. downstairs so you can watch the movie. Lana, you ready?
So can Alex go on tracks and start watching a movie?
We're watching a movie.
Daddy, it's not funny.
You weren't supposed to be on at all. You weren't supposed to be on at all. Good night, family. I'll see y'all tomorrow.